Very good morning to all. Welcome to Competitive Square YouTube classes. Today we will discuss about RRB assistant practice class. Okay. I think this is fourth class, fourth number practice class. Okay. 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 I give you 20 seconds for each 1 mark question and 2 minutes for each puzzles and sitting arrangement. Okay. Let's start the question. First question is on your screen. First question is alphanumerical series. Study the following sequence and answer the given question. Question is, which of the following element is 9 to the left of 16 from left end of the given arrangement? Listen, question is 9 to the left of 16 from your left. In alphabet rules, if both the direction are left, then we subtract both the direction and we see the left side of the given alphanumerical series. Okay. Then we should subtract both the left side. Resultant is 7 from left. Okay. 7 from left. From left, 7th number element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number element is C. Option 3. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next question is, if all the digits are dropped from the series, which element will be the 7 to the right of the one which 14 from the right end of the new arrangement? Okay. Question is, all the digits are deleted from the alphanumerical series, this series. Okay. Then which will be the 7 to the right of 14 from the right end? 14 from the right. Again right, then we subtract both the right. Resultant is 7 from the right. We count only symbols and letters. We did not count any of the digits because here alphanumerical series all the digits are deleted. Okay. First, this is our right side. Okay. This is our right side. Then first element is V, second element is N, third element is exclamatory, fourth element is X, fifth element is, sixth is Y, seventh is U. Answer is option 2 U. Okay. Next. Next question is, how many such symbols are there given the series which are not immediately preceded by an alphabet? How many symbols are there which are not immediately preceded, means before alphabets? Okay, not preceded, so cancel. I cancel the alphabet. Okay, and also not immediately followed by a number. Followed means after number. Okay. First, in the alphanumerical series, you count each symbols. First is at the rate of, then and, has, percentage, dollar, and this one, and again this one. These are the symbols present in alphanumerical series in our question. Okay. First symbol is before. First symbols before T is present, then this is cancelled because there is no alphabet in before symbol. Okay. Again second symbol there is G, so this is also cancelled. Again third element, again cancel. Again this one is cancel. And dollar is preceded by a number and followed by a alphabet. Here dollar is correct. Again this one is correct, wrong. Again this one is correct, because our question says symbol is not preceded by alphabet and not followed by number. So here symbol is followed by letter and preceded by number. So there are two elements are there in our alphabet numerical series. Okay. Next. Okay, next question on your screen. How many such alphabets are there given series which are not immediately preceded by an alphabet? How many such alphabets are there? Which are not immediately preceded by alphabet. Not preceded by again alphabet, ALP. Okay. Then but immediately followed by an vowel. But followed by vowel. We find these alphabets which are immediately followed by vowel but not preceded by alphabet. Okay. Listen. Here how many alphabets are there in the series? First is E, then second is C, again T, again G, then L, A, Z, K, Q, U, Y, X, N, B. These are the alphabets are present in our alphanumerical series. Okay. Listen, before E, no alphabets are there. Before C, consonant are there. Then E cancel. C also cancel because C after C there is no vowel. Okay. T also cancel. G also cancel. L. Listen, before L one number is there and after L a vowel is there. Okay. Then L is the first. Then Z also cancel because after Z no vowel placed in the alphanumerical series. K also cancel. Q. Before Q we found a dollar means symbol and after vowel. Again Q is correct. U also cancel. Y also cancel. X also cancel. N also cancel. V also cancel. How many letters are there? Alphabets are there? Answer 2. Option 4. Okay. Next question. Find the missing figure. What would be come in the place of question mark in the following series based on the above arrangement? Okay. Try it. Listen. How many letters are gap between 7 and this symbol? Here is 7 and here is this symbol. Okay. 7 to this symbol, obviously right to left, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 5. Then this is minus 5. Okay. This symbol to dollar. This symbol to dollar. Again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Again minus 5. Minus 5. Again dollar to Z. Dollar to Z. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Again minus 5. Then next is again minus 5 from Z. From Z minus 5 is 5 number element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means first element is digit 9. Okay, we should found next element because there are 4 9s are first in the 4 options. Okay. 2 to u, 2 to u. Okay, here is 2, here is u. 2 to u, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Again minus 5, minus 5. Again y to k, y to, sorry, u to k, u to k, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Again minus 5. K to a, k to a, obviously again minus 5 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 5. Then a minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 means 6. Okay, there are 3 options. Start with 9 after 6. Okay, then we should find third element, n y, n to y. N is here, y is here. Again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. N to y minus 5. Okay, 5, y to 5, y to 5. Again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Again minus 5. 5 to 8. Again minus 5. 8 to minus 5. 8 to minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Answer is and. Okay, 9, 6 and. Okay, option 5. Okay, next question. Okay, I gave you 2 seconds, sorry, 2 minutes for this question. Okay, I hide myself. Okay. Now we will start the question. Okay. Question says 8 friends A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H having different qualifications. That is BSc, MSc, BCom, BCA, BTech, MTech, MBA and PhD are going on their interview in different states. That is Haryana, J&K, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Kerala, Chhattisgarh and Telangana. Total 8 friends are there. The A to H. Okay. Now I solve the question in this page. Okay. First A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Total 8 persons are there. Okay. Here I put qualification. Okay. Here I will put state. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, fine. First statement. D has interview in Kerala. First statement D. D has interview in which place? Kerala. Okay. I directly put in the diagram. Okay. Next. B did BTech and has interview in Punjab. Again direct statement is given. B did BTech. Okay. B's qualification is BTech. His interview place is Punjab. Okay. Next. Neither C nor A has interview in Bihar. Here Bihar is cancelled. Neither A nor C. Okay. Here also Bihar is cancelled. Okay. Next. Or MP. Again MP also cancelled. Okay. Next. F did become. F's qualification is become. Okay. Next. The one who did PhD has interview in Bihar. Okay. This statement I put roughly. The one who did PhD, his interview is in Bihar. Okay. Next. Neither E nor G did PhD. Okay. Neither D nor E and G did PhD nor have their interview in J&K. Okay. Here E did not qualify PhD and also G has did not, his qualification is PhD. Okay. Next. nor have their interview in J&K. Is do not give in the place of J&K. Also G, J&K cancel. Okay. The one whose interview is J&K did MSc. Okay. Again, second statement says the one who MSc, his interview place is in J&K. Okay. A did MBA. A did MBA. Next. Neither the one who did BCA nor the one who did BSc have their interview in Chhattisgarh. Again, third statement given. BCA and BSc have neither place in Chhattisgarh. Okay. Both are Chhattisgarh cancel. Next. E did BCA. If he did BCA, then E also Chhattisgarh cancel. Okay. Next. The one who did BCA is not from MP. The who did BCA? E. Then E also MP cancel. Okay. Okay. E is not from Haryana. E again Haryana cancel. Okay. Next. The one who did MBA did not interview in Chhattisgarh. MBA. Whose qualification is MBA? Ace. Then Ace state is not Chhattisgarh. A Chhattisgarh also cancel. Okay. Next. The one who did become did not have interview in Chhattisgarh. Become also Chhattisgarh cancel means F also Chhattisgarh cancel. Okay. Listen. The one who did PhD, his interview is in Bihar. A already qualification or mentioned, B's qualification already mentioned. C did not qualify PhD because here Bihar is cancelled. Okay. D Kerala, then here PhD also cancelled. Is PhD non? E has BCA. F has become G PhD cancel. Only one person PhD selected, that is H. Okay. Here Bihar. Okay. Again, the one who MSc from J&K. Okay. J&K. Here S qualification already given, B's qualification already given, C's qualification possible MSc. Okay. D is not possible because here Kerala is present already here. Okay. Then only one possible, that is C, because here G also J&K cancel. Okay. Here C MSc is to J and K. Okay. Then now there are two qualifications, that is MTech and BSc. MTech and BSc. Okay. Now, listen. Here Chhattisgarh cancel. Here Chhattisgarh cancel. Here Chhattisgarh cancel. No doubt. Here Chhattisgarh only one possible. Okay. If here Chhattisgarh possible, then it is not BSc, because one whose qualification is BSc, he did not go Chhattisgarh. Okay. Then here BSc cancel, only one possible, MTech. If here MTech, here one is possible, that is BSc. Okay. All persons qualification are arranged. Now states are next. Here MP cancel, here MP cancel. Okay, only one possible for MP. This is MP. Okay. Now, if here Haryana is cancelled, no doubt this is Haryana. Okay. Or one state, that is Telangana. No doubt this sure that here this is Telangana. Okay. Then first question, who among the following his interview in J&K? J&K. Answer is answer is C, option 3. Okay. Next, who among the following is did MTech? MTech. G or one who went to Chhattisgarh. Okay. The one whose interview is in Chhattisgarh, and also D. No. G. Option 4. Okay. Who among the following did PhD? PhD. Who do PhD? H. Answer is H, option 4. Okay. Next, which of the following combination is correct? A J and K. A J and K, wrong. A comes. A is Haryana. G Bihar. G Bihar. G Chhattisgarh. Second is cancelled. E Telangana. E is Telangana is correct. Okay. Next, which of the following statement is true? F has interview in Telangana. No. H did MTech. H MTech. No. H is PhD. D did BSc. D BSc. Correct. Option 3 is correct. Okay. Next, again I give you two minutes. Okay. Okay. Study the following information carefully and answer the question. 7 persons J, K, L, M, N, O and P were born different months the same year starting from January to July. Okay. Total 7 persons are there and 7 months January to July. Each person stays different floor, same building, that is lowest most floor number 1 and topmost is number 7. Now I start with floor arrangement because always floor is constant. Okay. Then first 7th floor, then 6th floor, 5th floor, 4th floor, 3rd floor, 2nd floor, 1st floor. Okay. This is person. Here I put person and here I put month. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. First. P stays on 4th floor and born April. Here P means person. Okay. Here 4th floor I directly put P and he was born in April. Okay. Direct statement is given. 2 person between P and the person who was born in March. Listen. Here March also possible because 5th and 6th person are between P and March, and also first floor is also possible for March because 3rd and 2nd floor person are 2 person. Okay. O who was born in February lives immediately above J. Then first condition is O who is from February lives immediately above Z. Okay. Neither M nor K was born in March and May. Okay. Second statement says neither M nor K was born in March or May. Both are March or May cancel. Okay. None of them lives 3rd floor. Okay. M and K both are 3rd floor cancel. Next. L was not born in May. Third statement is given. L has not May. Next. 4 person lived in O and 1 who was born in March. 4 persons are there, March and between O. Okay. If we consider this is March, then first person, second person, third person, fourth person. Here J is possible. O is possible. If I put O here, then J also comes here because O is just below, J is come. Okay. Again, if I put March here, then first, second, third, fourth. Here also O comes, here also J comes. There are 2 possibility cases. Okay. In exam, you should draw 2 diagrams for this type of question. M lives above K. Okay. Fourth number statement says M lives above K. Next. The person born in May lives below the person born in July. Fifth number statement says the person born in May lives below the person who lives July. July, May. Okay. The person who born May is below, not immediate mention in the question. So I put arrow mark for below. Okay. Who does not live in topmost floor? Here question mention July does not live topmost floor. The person living on second floor was born in January. Here okay, but does not live immediately above or below J. Here J also cancel. If here J also cancel, O here also cancel, then here March also cancel. We sure that here also March. Okay. Then if we put March here, then listen, M is just above K. If M is just above K, there is only one possibility, here M, here K. Because if here I put K, there is here M is cancelled, and there is no two consecutive gap in the person diagram. Okay, in this diagram. Okay. Next. O is in February. O is in February. Okay. Next. M and K, March cancel and May cancel. Achha. Sorry, here question given M is less. Sorry, M is above K but not immediate. Okay. Here also M cancel. Okay. M and K, March cancel, May cancel. This means here I put M, here I put K, because here March is there and here M and K both are cancelled. Okay. So one possible, that is M lives in floor number 7 and K lives in floor number 2. Next. L is not May. If L is not May, that is okay. If July is above May, if July is above May, here also July cancel. One possibility comes, that is here July, put July, I put July, here also May. If May comes here, then L not there, that is one possible L for L, that is first floor. M, N, here N comes. Okay, that is January, February, March, April, May, then 7th floor, June possible. Okay, fine. Then first question, who among the following born in June? That is M. Answer is none of these. Okay, next. How many persons live between J and N? J and N, there are one floor, one person, that is P. Option 1. Okay, next. N is younger than how many person? N is younger than how many person? N's date of birth was May. Okay. Before May, there are 4 peoples: January, February, March, April. Okay. N is younger to how many person? Answer is 4 person. Who among the following persons live bottommost floor? Bottommost floor. L or one who born in the month of March. Answer is option 3, L. Okay. Which of the following pets live above P? Above P, OJ. Answer OJ. Option 4. Okay. I give you 20 seconds for this question. Okay. Listen. In a family 8 members, there are 3 married couples. O is the mother of K. First, O is the mother. Mothers means female. Females means we put circle. O in circle. O is the mother of K. O is the mother of K. We put vertical line in father mother relation. Okay. T is the brother of O. Here O's brother is T. Brother means male member. We put box. T in box. Okay. T is the brother of O. L is the father of T. Again, L is the father of the T. Father of T. Father means male person. Again, put L in box. M has 3 children. One of them is P. Who is M? We know about M? No. Then I skip the statement. Okay. S is the sister-in-law of O. S is the sister-in-law of O. Sister-in-law means brother's wife. Okay. Here O's brother is T. Then T's wife is S. Okay. Next. N is the brother-in-law of P. N is the brother-in-law of P. Okay. Who is unmarried? P is the aunt of K. If P is the aunt of K, then again O have one sister. O has one sister, that is P. Okay. Aunt means female person. Again I put circle. Okay. M has 3 children. One of them is P. If M has 3 children, one of them is P. Listen, L has also 3 children, T, O, P. Okay. Then L and M are husband and wife. Okay. P is unmarried. L is the brother of T. L is the brother of T. Acha. Here also mention N is the brother-in-law of P. If N is the brother-in-law of P, no doubt P's sister is O. O marries to N. Okay. Here O marries to N. Then I put in this diagram. Here I put P here. Okay, P also female person. O also female person. Okay. P has a brother-in-law, means O's husband. O's husband, that is N. Okay. Husband means male person. O have one son. O have one children. That is P is the aunt of K. O is the mother of K. Okay. Okay. This is our diagram. First question: how K related to N? Because K's gender is not mentioned here, so answer is cannot be determined. Okay. Next, how P related to L? PL. Here L, here P. P is the daughter of L. Answer is option 1, daughter. Next, how many male members are there in the family? If we consider K is a male member, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4. If consider K is a female member, then there are 3 male members, either 4 or 3. Okay. Option 3, option 2, there are 3. Option 4, there are 4. Option 5, there are B or C. Option 5 is our correct answer. Okay. Next, if all the alphabets are rearranged itself, they are appears in the English dictionary order. In the what conversation? Conversation. Here in the word conversation, each letter we arrange in the dictionary order. Okay. First, in dictionary order, first A, then C, then E, then I, then N, then double O, then R, S, sorry, double R, double N, because here also N, here also N. Okay. Double N, double O. Okay. Then R, S, T, V. Then question, which of the following will be the fifth to the right of 10th from the right in? Fifth right, 10th right. Right minus then fifth from the right. From right side, this arrangement. Okay. Fifth number element is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Answer is O, option 2. Okay. Okay. This is your homework question. Okay, take the screenshot and answer these questions in comment box. Okay, take the screenshot. I count 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth question. This is also homework question. Okay, take screenshot. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These are today's question. I hope you all are well understand this question. Okay. If you understand this question and you feel nice session, then please like, share and subscribe if you join news today. Okay, today. Thank you for watching this session.